everybody, it's the Barefoot Raccoon here again, and today I'm going to be reviewing Splay Rev High-Top. Now this is a shoe that I've had my eye on for quite a while, but I've been a bit nervous to try it because I've heard the sizing is quite tricky to get right, and I think for us Brits in particular it is quite hard because you're ordering from the US and if you get it wrong you've got a long way to send them back. So what I did was I measured my foot very carefully. I picked a pair of shoes that I already know fit me well, measured those and then compared them to the sizing chart on the Splay website, and I did get it correct. So in terms of the barefoot attributes of this shoe, as you can see it has got the wide toe box and it has got the zero drop sole. So as for the pros for this shoe, they are fairly cheap in comparison to many other barefoot shoe brands. Secondly, they look great. As someone who is not going to be wearing them to do any skateboarding in, I have to say I chose them purely on looks alone. And I spent many of the first few years of my barefoot shoe journey wearing Vivo barefoot. As great as they do look a little bit different to other shoes. And these, if you're wearing these, I'm not sure anyone would know you're wearing foot-shaped shoes. So these are made with canvas and suede, and then they have a cotton lining which is supposedly breathable. So in terms of negatives for this shoe, they aren't the most flexible of soles. As you can see, I'm bending it there, but not getting much. And if I compare it to my Bohempias, it's just completely different. Also, they're not ethically made. A lot of the barefoot shoe brands I buy from are, and this isn't. And then finally, you have to order them from the US. It's really important that your total order amount comes to less than £135, otherwise you will get stung by import taxes. But all of that said, I ordered mine and had no problems, got them within 2 weeks of ordering. However, if you do want to return them, the return costs are down to you as well. So I'll see you in a short while after I've had a go at wearing these, and I'll let you know how they feel.
I've worn these out and about quite a few times now. I must admit I found them very comfortable. I like the wide toe box a lot, and I don't mind the fact that you can't feel the ground as much in these shoes. There is an insole you can remove if you want to get closer to the ground. I have found they take a little bit of time to get on and off. You have to loosen the laces enough to get your foot in. But because you can tighten them, they suit feet of different volumes. So although I won't be doing any skateboarding in them, I feel like for day-to-day wear, these will be very comfortable and good for my feet.